The census is one of the most important things you can do to help your community at this time. Getting an accurate count of the number of people in Perry County allocates enough resources from the federal government for everyone.
I'm Happy Mobilini. I'm the principal at Hazard High School, and I want to talk to you about the census today. This is probably the most important form that any family in Eastern Kentucky can fill out. This form lasts for 10 years, and we need everybody to fill it out and be counted because it's the way we get our money for federal, for the lunchrooms, transportation, and textbooks, anything like that, and especially like SNAP, Medicare, and those type of things. But the main thing is, if everybody fills it out, then it's like a competition. You know, we're competing with everybody else for these federal dollars. And if you don't fill it out, then your kids are going to suffer because we'll have no money, and then we'll have the budget cuts, and you lose the teachers and you lose the services. And just think, like right now, with this time of this coronavirus, we're feeding 700-800 kids a day because of this federal money with this food program. We don't want to lose that, but it won't work if you don't fill it out. The other thing, it's the best civic lesson in the world. So what our school system has done, any kid that does it and you send a snapshot of your parents' census, will give you 10 extra points in your classes.
For the 2020 census, most of Perry County was designated as a location for in-person interviews. The COVID-19 pandemic has halted all in-person census collection, which means that many of us won't be counted. The good news is that you can complete your census online. Just go to my2020census.gov to complete your census without needing your census number. If you were not sent a census packet, just click that you do not have a census ID. Select if you were living in the United States on April 1st, 2020, and you will be prompted to put in your address. Once you have confirmed your address, you can start your census. Enter basic information such as your name and number. Then enter the number of people in your household and their names. Confirm who was in your household on April 1st. Confirm whether you own, rent, or live in a home owned by another person. And confirm who owns or rents the home. Answer some basic questions about each person in your household, such as gender, date of birth, ethnicity, and race. Then confirm that the people in your household won't be counted anywhere else. And that's it. Completing your census can take as little as 2 minutes. If you have any problems, you can also complete by calling the number on the screen. Be counted because you count.